Analyzing an E-TRADE IRA requires a thorough understanding of the account details and investment options. To begin, log into your E-TRADE account and navigate to the IRA section. Here you will find an overview of your account balance, investment portfolio, and transaction history. First, review your account details, including the type of IRA you have, such as a traditional or Roth IRA, and the contribution limits. Understand the fees associated with your account, including management fees, trading fees, and maintenance fees. Next, analyze your investment portfolio, which may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Evaluate the performance of each investment, considering factors such as returns, risk, and diversification. Consider the asset allocation of your portfolio, ensuring it is aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. To further analyze your E-TRADE IRA, review your transaction history, including contributions, withdrawals, and trades. Identify any patterns or trends in your investment activity, and consider adjusting your strategy as needed. It is also essential to consider the tax implications of your IRA, including the tax deductibility of contributions and the tax treatment of withdrawals. Understand the rules regarding required minimum distributions, and plan accordingly to avoid penalties. To optimize your E-TRADE IRA, consider the following best practices. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk, and regularly review and adjust your investment strategy. Take advantage of tax-advantaged contributions, and avoid unnecessary fees and penalties. Finally, consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure your IRA is aligned with your overall financial goals. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can effectively analyze your E-TRADE IRA and make informed decisions to optimize your investment strategy. Regular review and maintenance of your account will help you achieve your long-term financial goals and ensure a secure retirement.